Hi everyone, this is KG from Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back na my channel. Agad-agad gawin natin yung reaction video, yung mga interviews again ng Kat din. Kasi ibang-iba pala talaga, no? Pag mapanood mo yung mga... Kasi pag mga short interviews, hindi ko na talaga pinapanood yan. Like, hinahayaan ko na like mga 3 minutes and everything. Pero ngayon kasi marami naman akong time, and marami din akong time para i-analyze yung kanilang mga body languages, the way they talk to each other, the way they look at each other, and whatnot. So I won't say no longer excited ako. Without further ado, panoorin natin to.
So, let's just see.
This movie is about second chances.
Panoorin nyo, ang ganda na
So
sagot nila.
let's
Sige
add
nga.
a twist by asking you this question. Do
Okay.
you believe in giving third, fourth, and fifth chances when it comes to matters of the heart? Or a second chance is your limit? And that's it.
Oh my God. Oh my
I
God.
think giving second chances really depends upon the person.
Yes, exactly.
No.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
I'm so proud of you.
you know, sometimes it really depends because giving a second chance and a third chance means that there was a mistake committed in the situation. And,
Couldn't agree
you know,
more.
it depends sometimes. I think second chances could be given to people who have committed a mistake, but if it's gonna be happening like over and over again, committing the same mistake,
Exactly.
that's already a choice, and that person chooses to commit that mistake over and over again. And I think it's not worth of any chances anymore. But I think second chances depends. It's not a commitment. It's not a thing that you always have to give. It's a choice.
It's a choice.
For me, Sir
True.
Ruben, maybe it depends on the
Sir
person.
Ruben, I really love how she addressed
Because
that.
it's like a risk. If you give a person a chance, either mako-correct niya, you know, he or she
mauulit
will
niya.
correct the mistake na nagawa niya, or you're allowing that person
To do that again.
hurt you again. Or
Exactly
to
the
do this
point.
again.
Exactly
So
the
it
point.
depends. So if you think it's worth the risk, you think this person has changed, or whatever you think it is, it's your choice.
Grabe naman yung mga
But
tanungan,
if
oy.
it's you not giving that person a chance because it's your way of protecting yourself, your sanity, and you don't want to experience or go through this again, that's okay too. So siguro depende po sa sitwasyon, but
For
you
you.
can forgive, but
But
that
you
doesn't
cannot-
mean na you
you
have to
can
give a
give
second
chance.
chance. You can
Exactly.
forgive for your peace of mind.
Exactly.
And your call na yun kung gusto mo yung second chance.
Exactly.
So, depende po sa tao.
May sinabi ka rin maganda, the past media ko ano eh. Like
Ayan,
second
ayan,
chance is a
attentive
gift.
talaga si
Yeah, it's a
Alden.
gift. Like, second chance is a gift. It's not an obligation.
Yeah, I love that.
Just quickly, what did you learn about OFWs from this story?
That their lives are different in every country. They have different stories
exactly.
to tell, different challenges, different sacrifices.
Truly.
But you know,
Well,
at
I
the
don't
end
know
of the
ha,
day, it's
compare
the
sa
love
mga
that they
Canada
have
and
for their
Europe and
loved ones.
US. Kami
And
dito
you
sa
know,
Saudi,
for
parang mas
the
madali ang
love
life namin
that
dito.
they have for giving them a better
Because
life.
hindi namin
is
kailangan mag-double job or
what
triple
really
job.
matters to them.
Kasi ang mahal ng
And
expenses nila. Dito kasi
it's
mura lang.
also an eye-opener for both of us, you know, given the opportunity to portray roles such as an OFW or an international worker, because we have learned so much from them. When we were able to talk to them during our filming in Hong Kong and Calgary, we have learned so much about their stories, and it's not easy. And our hearts goes to them, and we have their utmost respect for them for the things that they do
Ang
in
talino
life, and also
alam
for
mo
their
bagay
families
sila
po.
kasi may mga substance yung sinasabi nila.
Hello, Love Again marks the first. It will be the widest North American release from Filipino film. Congratulations.
Ay,
Can you comment on that? Can you comment on that as a Filipino actor, and B, as a member of the Philippine movie industry that's still very much around, but is struggling like many film industries in the world?
We're very honored to have this film be shown globally and have one of the widest distributed film globally for a Filipino-made film. And right now, you know that of course we all know that the cinema industry is struggling quite a bit after the pandemic. But right now, you know, us filmmakers, we're very much into giving beautiful contents for the people to appreciate. And right now, this opportunity given to us to the film Hello Love Again is a great honor. And I hope that this won't be the last film to have this kind of opportunity for the purpose of inspiration to a lot of filmmakers as well, so that they can make films that can be and could be recognized globally.
We're just very hopeful po.
Ang talino naman ng mga salita nila.
Because alam naman natin how hard it is to produce and to sell a movie. And now that slowly people are going back to the cinemas, and now we're trying it out, globally, not just here in the Philippines. I think it's worth the try.
Worth a try.
We're just very hopeful na tanggapin siya ng mga tao. I don't want to pressure myself too much when it comes to this, but alam lang siguro namin na naniniwala kami sa project. So, bahala na kung paano tatanggapin ng mga tao. And nakaka-proud lang. Hopefully, this will open doors, not just for us, but we started it from a very good girl. And then the MMFF happened. Bumalik na yung mga tao sa sinehan. And all the Star Cinema Films. And now we have this. So, sana lang magtuloy-tuloy na feeling ko kaya natin ng mga Pinoy, ang daming talented
Anyways, balik na natin to. Ay, ito. Ay, no, napanood na natin to. Christmas! Oh, siguro feeling ko after this, nag-ano sila, chika-chika sila, no? What do you think? Ay, ito, ano to? Wait, Kat and Dream Decision being open to do another project together.
Really?
Antarctica talaga siya? Si Kat?
Yeah, I wanna go to Croatia.
Croatia?
Yeah, that's my dream.
Wait, taray. Go!
Dito.
Sa?
Go!
Dito na yung part 3. Kung may part 3.
Bakit kayo ganyan sila?
Mag-part 3 na sila dito. Kasi nga, parang...
sana may part 3 nga.
Dalawa, si Joy and Militana are both...
Dito sila mag-settle sa Manila Cathedral.
Para skeletal crew.
Oo, para full production na. Sabi ni Kea. So, baka dito. Philippines.
Dito, my God.
US tour, pero road trip. Tapos across different states.
You think?
Parang ganun. Kasi malikot yung dalawa eh. Actually, if you think about it, medyo
Malikot yung
hindi sila
dalawa.
nagpe-permi sa isang lugar. So I think in their personalities, mas magugustuhan nila na meron lang silang, I don't know, camper van. Mas mag-long drive lang sila, palipat-lipat ng state just to see the world together.
We're just very open.
Yeah,
Pag may
kahit ano.
magandang concept, kung sino man or kung ano man yun, parang open
May
up
part
with
3 pala
anything.
talaga.
Basta syempre far from Joy and Ethan. But kung may dadating na magandang story and all, hindi naman din kailangan part. Wala mo, magkuya kami or something. Diba? Para maiba lang. Or
Huwag
magpatayan
naman.
kami dalawa.
Ayaw ni Alden, ayaw ni Alden,
Basta
ayaw ni
a
Alden.
different flavor
Ayaw ni
would be
Alden.
interesting.
It's always about the story. Content is king. So dapat...
Wag magkuya for today's video.
Ano lang nag-uusapan natin? And how far? Baka Makati-Q sila.
No. Ay, ano to?
Next question will be for to Ethan. Hi Alden.
Hello po.
This sequel was taken like over 5 years ago after Hello Love Goodbye, So madali ka bang nakabalik sa role mo as Ethan, especially na in some ways you're more matured na compared before. Thank you.
Yes, kasi si Ethan prior to during the first film, medyo nakita naman natin na medyo hindi siya ganun ka not naman serious about life, but medyo nandun pa siya sa playful side niya. But of course, still given, masipag siya. He works hard for his family dahil gusto niya magkaroon ng permanence in Hong Kong. Gusto niya maging residente doon during that time. And yet, Joy came in. So, for the question of madali ba akong nakabalik, medyo naging mahirap dahil it's been a long time. And parang yun din kasi minsan eh. But ang nagiging struggle ng actors, doing a sequel after a certain project na medyo mahaba yung panahon na tinagal. But with the help of Direk Cathy, of course, and sila Ate Carm, sila Tala, of course, Kath, and the whole team. Kasi once na nailagay ko yung sarili kong ulit dun sa ganong setup, same team, same people, same faces while doing the first film, mabilis bumalik si Ethan eh. And I think Ethan never really left me. Andito lang siya. Yun nga yung sinabi ko kay Direk na parang nahirapan lang akong kunin ulit yung kamay niya, but with the guidance of Direk Cathy during the filming of this project, nahila ko siya ulit. And with his approach in life right now, I think nakita natin din yun sa trailer na parang ano yung dumating sa kanya, ano yung naging event sa buhay niya para masabi niyang, Joy, I don't want you back. Bakit niya sinabi yun? To think that during the first film, parang gusto niyang ibigay yung buong mundo kay Joy. Bakit ngayon may ganon? So those are the things na medyo nag-iba in the character of Ethan here in this film. At the same time, yung how the turn of events and circumstances affected his life decisions at that point. So medyo kakaiba po yung magiging dynamics ngayon ni ni Ethan and Marie in this film.
Alright. Thanks, Angelica. Maraming salamat. Dami ko pang tanong, pero ang dami nakapila eh.
Ang dami nakapila? Ano ba yan?
Whenever we see each other, it's like nothing has changed. And
whenever we see each other, like there's nothing change.
Can't find much of that in this industry. Mahirap nang makahanap.
Last year was very, very hard time for me. And it's so hard to find real friends in the industry. So eto lang, wala. Pinrove lang nila na, possible pa rin na magkaroon ka ng, makahanap ka ng mabubuting tao sa industriya.
Oh my God, their friendship though. Hindi tayo sure sa friendship. Hindi talaga tayo sure the way they act, dear. The way they act, I doubt. They're really natural sa camera. Malalaman mo kasi talaga pag pinipilit eh. May mga ginagawa na ako before ng reaction video na kilig na kilig ako, adik na adik ako. Pero once na may napansin ako na, fan service, not genuine, I literally stop. Stop. Kahit marami ako views, stop. Ayokong lokohin ng sarili. Ayokong lokohin yung viewers ko and at the same time, lalong-lalo na yung sarili ko. Diba? Parang alam ko naman na fan service, hindi genuine. Okay lang din naman na mag-fan service, pero from the beginning, dapat sabihin nila na there's nothing between the two of us, like Barbie Fortesa and David Licauco. There's nothing between the two of us. We are just something like, this is just work. Si Barbie, clear niya talaga, this is just work. I'm in a relationship and, walang intimate something. Pero meron talaga yung tipong, alam mo yung, hindi naman, alam mo yung wala naman sila mga boyfriend, pero pinapakilig ka nila. Pero malalaman mo talaga na parang, at the end of the day, palalaman mo na, this is just like a fan service. Ganon. Anyways. Okay, what's next? Diba? Iba talaga. Iba talaga ang friendship nila, Friendship. Wait lang, wala na bang interview? Ba't parang umiiyak siya dito? It's different. Ibang-iba po talaga, meaning to say, may ka-close si Kath na lalaki or may lalaki sa buhay ni Kath na, how do I say this? May lalaking dumaan sa buhay ni Kath na ma-i-compare niya sa kay Alden. Kaya nasabi niya yung ibang-iba. Hindi niya naman sasabing ibang-iba si Tisoy kung wala siyang pinagbasehan o wala siyang experience sa iba. Right? So, alam mo na, grabe yung tingin ni Alden. Grabe yung tingin ni Alden. Seriously, grabe yung tingin ni Alden. I love that. Ang ganda ng interview nila sa Metro, in fairness. Grabe si Kat. Grabe yung tingin ni Kat. Oh my God. Grabe yung tingin ni Kat. I cannot. Let's do it. Anyway, there you go guys. Ano to? Alam mo, ang dami pa eh. Gagawa pa ako ng isa. 13 minutes na to ha. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!